Welcome back to Wegyanik. In our previous projects, we built fun games using ESP32 in OLED displays. But today, let's move towards something more practical. We'll learn how to use a relay module with ESP32. In this project, we'll connect a relay module and use it to turn an LED on and off every 2 seconds. Let's begin. Now let's understand what's happening inside the relay. When ESP32 sends a high signal to the in pin, the relay's electromagnet coil energizes. This pulls the switch contact, connecting COM to NO, and the current flows through the LED, turning it on. When ESP32 sends a low signal, the coil turns off, the connection breaks, and the LED turns off. This is how the relay acts like an electronic switch, fully controlled by the microcontroller. This is what a relay module looks like. Now, on the back side of the relay, there is some text written in Chinese. On the left side, you will find the normally open pin, in the middle is the common pin, and on the right side is the normally closed pin. Now, just connect 3 male to female jumper wires to the relay. Now, just place the resistor on the breadboard like this. And place the LED with its negative leg connected to the resistor, just like this. Now, just connect the relay VCC to the ESP32 3.3 volts pin. Then, connect the relay ground to the ESP32 ground. Then, connect the relay IN pin to the ESP32 D5 pin. Then, connect the other end of the resistor, which is connected to the LED, to the ESP32 ground. Then, connect the LED's positive terminal to the relay's normally open pin. And finally, connect the relay's common pin to the ESP32 3.3 volts pin. In case your relay module doesn't work on 3.3 volts, you can also connect it to the ESP32 5 volt pin, which is the VIN pin. This is the complete circuit. You can also take a screenshot of it. Now, just connect the ESP32 to the computer. Now, simply copy the code from the website and paste it here. Now let's quickly understand the code. First we define relay pin as GPIO5. Then in the setup, we set it as an output pin. We also start with the relay off using digital write, relay pin, low. Inside the loop, we first send a high signal to the relay for 2 seconds. This energizes the coil and turns the LED on. Then we send a low signal to turn the relay off, and the LED turns off. So here, the relay is switching the LED circuit just like it would control a bulb or fan in real life. Now upload the code and power the circuit. You'll see the LED turning on for 2 seconds, and then off for 2 seconds, again and again. That's the relay switching action, clicking each time it turns on and off. And that's how a relay module works with ESP32, controlling an LED that blinks every 2 seconds. The relay will also make a clicking sound when it turns on and off. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.